Hello ladies and gentlemen, myself Manish and I welcome you to a new video of Technical Chahaji. Just a few weeks back we got the Android Pie update into our Samsung J6 and into the various Samsung J devices. But what about the auto brightness feature? Is it working very much fine for users? I just made a comparison with my flagship which is with the OnePlus 6, and with this test you'll be able to know that the Samsung is making us fooled by the auto brightness feature. So watch this video till the end so you know about the comparison and how the Samsung is making us fool with this auto brightness feature. So without wasting time, let's get started with the video.
So this is my Samsung J6 in which I have recently have a Pi update. After the Pi update, there's a lot of problem. If I talk about the auto brightness feature over here, the auto brightness feature as you can see is in the middle because I'm into the room. When I move ahead into the daylight, this slider will not automatically will move and I'm not being able to see anything on my phone. Even you can see that even my phone is now turned on. I'm not being able to see anything over here. So but if I switch off the phone, just a lock screen, and if I turn it on, now I'm able to see everything. So this is the main sort of a bug you can say. You can see that now slider has moved a bit. So you can say that this is a sort of a bug over here. Now if I move inside, again I have a same sort of problem. Now my brightness feature is almost up to the mark, up to the full. But if I again just switch off my phone and again turn the screen on, you can see my slider has now moved back. So why this is happening? This is happening because over here in the auto brightness feature you can see it says that adaptive brightness. Adjust your screen setting according to the environment. When you unlock the screen, the feature measures the current lighting condition by taking a picture with the front camera. So just a front camera is being used to take the adjustment of your auto brightness feature. There's no hardware you can say in this auto brightness feature by supported by the phone. There's a various kind of apps available in the market which can do the same thing. But now let me just show you the same comparison with my OnePlus 6, and then you're able to notice that how the auto brightness feature when I move to the daylight and when I move inside how it is working very well. So this is my OnePlus 6 device, and over here you can see the brightness feature is almost more than half and not to the full. Now let me just move again to the into the daylight, and as I move to the daylight you can see clearly that now it has been moved to full. You see clearly now it has been moved to full. Now I can see my mobile screen very much clearly. I know this not been able to notice in the screen right now, but now I'm able to see very much full. And now let me just bring it back to the into the room. As you can see, the brightness feature is again decreasing by its own. As I move inside, you can see the auto brightness feature is adjusting by itself according to the surroundings. So this is a great feature which is available in the OnePlus 6 but not available into the Samsung phones. Maybe in the future coming phones they can inbuild a hardware which will not just take a picture from the front camera but will also adjust to the surroundings. Even while if suppose I am working out and going from the room to out, my phone will work perfectly fine and don't have any kind of issue, and I don't have to every time lock and unlock the phone.
So from this test you have seen that every time I have to move out, I have to unlock my phone and again I have to turn it on so that I can work very well with the auto brightness feature. But here you have seen in the OnePlus 6 that how the auto brightness feature when I moved on with my screen on, how it is adjusted this auto brightness feature to the full, and then again when I move back to the room, it has again decreased its auto brightness feature. Making is very much useful for me with only one hand with the auto brightness feature. I don't have to turn it on and off every time so that my front camera can take picture from this Samsung and can adjust the auto brightness feature. So I hope you will like this comparison. If you like this comparison, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such interesting videos. And I see you all in the next one.